Hi, this is part 2 of the video. So we are making this. So first you are going to cut your fishing line and insert 4 beads on the fishing line. You are inserting 4 beads on the fishing line and you are going to cross with the last bead like this. You are crossing with the last bead, and after, you are going to put 1 bead on your right fishing line and 1 on your left fishing line. Then you cross with 1 bead. So 1 on your left, 1 on your right, then you are going to cross. So yes, this is what we have. We are going to repeat this by putting 1 bead on our right, 1 on our left, and crossing with 1 bead. So we need 11 of these, but we are going to repeat it till we get to the 10th one. Okay, yes, so we are here. You are going to pick this fishing line and put 3 beads on it. Then you are going to cross with the 3rd bead. This is because we are turning and we now have our 11. You get it? So you are going to pick the right fishing line, put 3 beads on it, and then we are going to cross with the 3rd bead. We are crossing with the 3rd bead. So after crossing, this is what we have. We have begun another row. You pick this fishing line, pass it through this bead like I am doing, and then you are going to pick the other fishing line, put 2 beads on it, and cross with the 2nd bead, and cross with the 2nd bead. You are going to pick this fishing line again, pass it through the next bead like this, and then you are going to pick the other fishing line and put 2 beads on that fishing line. You are putting 2 beads on that fishing line and you are crossing with the 2nd bead. You are crossing with the 2nd bead. After crossing with the 2nd bead, you are going to be repeating this process of passing the fishing line through the next bead beside it, and then putting 2 beads on the other fishing line and crossing with the 2nd bead till we get to the last but 1 bead. You get it? Till we get to the last but 1 bead. So yes, you are going to go through your next bead. Please, whenever you cross, make sure you pull it, okay? So be repeating till we get here. Yeah, so you pick this fishing line that is closer to you, pass it through the next bead like this. After passing it through the bead, please watch here carefully. You are going to pick 2 beads and put it on that same fishing line, this one. 2 beads, 2 beads, and after that you are going to cross with the 2nd bead because we are turning. So you see we have turned, so we have 11. So you are going to pick the fishing line that is facing you and you put 3 beads on that fishing line, 3 beads on that fishing line. Then you are going to cross with the 3rd bead. You make a cross with the 3rd bead, and this is what we have. So we are going to repeat the same process of passing the fishing line through the next bead and adding 2 beads till we get to the end. Okay, after which you are going to fold your work. You just put the work in your palm and then you just fold it and you get this shape. Okay, this is what you are going to get. You pick this fishing line after folding, you put 1 bead on it and pass it through this bead, and pull it down. After pulling it, you are going to pick 1 bead and cross with it. You are picking 1 bead and crossing with it. You go through the next bead like this, and then go through the next bead again at your left side, and then you are going to cross with 1 bead. You are crossing with 1 bead. So basically this is what you are going to be doing. We go through the right bead, the left bead, and then we cross with 1 bead till we get to the very end. You get it? Yes, this is very easy. It is not difficult. And even if you watch it without the audio, you can do it. Okay, it is not difficult at all. So yeah, so you are going to be repeating the same process until we get to the last but one here. So yeah, you are going to go through this bead with your right fishing line and go through this bead with your left fishing line. Then you are crossing with one bead. You are crossing with one bead. Please watch here very carefully, because after crossing we are building where we are going to connect to the bag. So this is what we have. You are going to pick this fishing line, this one, and add 3 beads on that fishing line. You are adding 3 beads on that fishing line. Then you are going to cross with a 3rd bead. You are crossing with a 3rd bead. You see the way I have zoomed? I want you to watch it carefully and understand. Okay, pick this fishing line, pass it through this bead, and then you are going to pick the other fishing line and put 2 beads on that fishing line. You are putting 2 beads on that fishing line. Yes, after putting 2 beads on that fishing line, you are going to go through this bead, this one, and then put 2 beads on the other fishing line. This 2 beads, you are putting it on the other fishing line that is facing you. Then you are going to cross with the 2nd bead. Then you are going to cross with the 2nd bead, after which you pass through this bead and this very bead, this one as well. And since you have gone through 2 beads, you are going to use just 1 bead to close it. So you are going to cross with 1 bead. So you see, this is what we have. And when you count, we have two steps. So you're going to be repeating the same process here. Okay, this side, please watch carefully, this side. So you're going to cut your fishing line and put it inside this bead, and then you're going to put 3 beads on the fishing line that is facing you. Then you cross with the 3rd bead. You are going to cross with the 3rd bead. Yes, so after crossing with the 3rd bead, you pick the down fishing line, pass it through this bead, and then you are going to add 2 beads to the fishing line that is top, 2 beads to the fishing line that is top, and you are going to cross with the 2nd bead. You are crossing with the 2nd bead. Yes, so after crossing with the 2nd bead, you pick the fishing line again, pass it through this bead, this one, and then you are going to add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead again. You add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead again. After crossing with the 2nd bead, you go through this bead and this bead, like this, and this bead. Yes, and then you are going to cross with 1 bead because you are closing. You are crossing with 1 bead, and we are done. So you are going to attach this to the bag in the part 1 of this video, which the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime we make a post, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in our next exciting and insightful video.